सध्याक मांडवीत आशिल्ल्या कॅसिनो बोटींची क्षमता 300 परस कमी आसा. देखून 2000 प्रवासी क्षमतेच्या नव्या कॅसिनो बोटीक परवानगी दिली जाल्यार मांडवी न्हंयची कॅसिनो बोटी आस्पावन घेवपाची मर्यादा हातीभायर वतली. तशेंच कायदे प्रमाण खंयच्याय बोटीक परवानो दितना ती बोट सी वर्दी म्हळ्यार समुद्र प्रवासा खातीर सक्षम आसा की ना ते पळोवपाक जाय असो युक्तिवाद करीत याचिकादारान नव्या कॅसिनो बोटी संदर्भात गोंय सरकाराचे भुमिकेचेर खर टिका केली.
Understanding of the existing operator is that the license which was earlier being used for the 70-seater vessel merely needs an amendment. He does not have to apply for a fresh license. According to us, this is a completely erroneous understanding of the law and it cannot be done this way. So during the course of arguments, we requested the court to call upon the government to take a clear stand. It did appear that the Advocate General was not in agreement with the stand of the casino operator, and he did say no, it can't be merely amended. But then he was asked to put this on an affidavit. So we are hoping that the government stand will be made clear on affidavit. The point is this: if they can't issue a license for operating a 2000-seater passenger vessel as a casino, what is the point in allowing it to enter the Mandovi River and be allowed to moor there?
आता एका बोटीक मांडवीत येवपाक परवानगी दिली जाल्यार भविष्यात हेर कॅसिनोय व्हडल्यो बोटी हाडटले. अशें जालें जाल्यार न्हंय येरादारी आनी पर्यावरणाचेर गंभीर परिणाम जातले असो भंय लेगीत याचिकादारान उक्तायलो.
The main contention is this: a 70-seater passenger vessel which was being used to run a casino is sought to be substituted by a 2000-seater passenger vessel again for running a casino. Admittedly, this is going to be the largest casino in Goa because it is exceeding the complete strength of all the existing casinos and it wants to dominate the scene. This is completely at odds with the statutory provisions which contemplate phasing out of the existing casinos and taking them back to territorial waters if they still want to operate, because the statute only contemplates vessels in territorial waters, not inland waters. So we are telling the court, don't allow it to enter the Mandovi River and to present all of us with a fait accompli.
After hearing the PIL filed by Enough is Enough, the High Court also partly heard a PIL filed in 2016 in which the High Court has passed an interim order saying that Goa government have to take permission from the High Court in case if they want to increase the number of casino in the state of Goa. In that PIL, the petitioner contended that even if it is the case of the private casino company that they are merely replacing the old casino vessel, they must take permission from the High Court for bringing that change. After hearing arguments in both the PILs, the High Court further directed the respondent casino company to place on record on affidavit all the permissions by Saturday, and hearing has been adjourned for Monday. The High Court has also directed Goa government to file an affidavit clearing its stand on both the issues regarding mooring the vessel and replacing the old casino vessel with new casino vessel with higher capacity. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.